This video is over place values. So we have here a number with many digits, and the place values always count from the decimal point as the starting point. Going to the left, we have the ones, tens, hundreds, and then we start this new pattern of a comma every third digit. So the first comma is when we go to thousands. The next comma is millions. The next comma is billions. And the next is trillions. So you can think of these as levels of magnitude as we're going every third digit, going thousands, millions, billions, trillions. To the right of the decimal point, we start with tenths, and then it goes the same count. So we had ones. We don't have that on the other side, but we have 10, 100, and we go tenths, hundredths. So we just start putting a th on the end, thousandths, and then we would have 10 thousandths. So with each level, we have the level name, and then we have 10 of that level, and then 100 of that level before we get to the next level name. So looking at these specific digits, the 1 here is we're at billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. The 3, I've already said, is the trillions place. If we were just starting, we'd start at the decimal point, we go thousand, million, billion, trillion. So we would say we have 100 billion in this number. We have 3 trillion in this number. The 5 is in the millions place, so there's 5 million. The 6 over here is the hundredths place. Again, to the right of the decimal point, we go tenths, then the second one is hundredths. And the 9 here is, we have thousands, and then this would be 10 thousands. So if we were just extracting each of these digits, we would have 100 billion. No, as numbers or as words, 3 trillion. We have 5 million. We have 6 hundredths, which could be written as a fraction, 6 hundredths. The 10, sorry, I put a th on that. That should not have a th. 10,000. We wouldn't say that as 9 10,000ths, or sorry, 9 10,000s. We would say that instead as 90,000. So the 9 tens would combine together. If we wanted to read this whole number in words, it would be 3 trillion 147 billion 85 million 794,204 and 8,602 10,000ths. But we very rarely would write out a number entirely in words that way.